Good morning, guys. We are in Vienna, Austria, and we have a full day ahead of us. Today, we are starting off the day. It's 9 a.m. and we're at one of the biggest food markets and flea markets in Vienna. And I'll put the name right here because I mispronounce pretty much everything. So we are hoping to find some breakfast, some snacks, some souvenirs to take home. I don't know how long we'll be here, maybe a couple hours, maybe not. And then we're gonna go on a hop off tour of the city, and then a walking tour based around Hitler. We have a really busy day, so let's go ahead and get started. It looks like we found my favorite section, pastries and bread. So this whole trip I have an obsession with finding donuts, and this one is an Austrian donut filled with apricot jam. Dominic got a cream-filled one that you know I'm gonna take a bite out of, so I'll try this one. He just dropped his donut. This is delicious, super fresh. So good. How's that cream donut, Dominic?
Good.
Pete is about to try lavender cheese.
Oh, nothing like lavender.
Is it good?
Mm-hmm. Oh, good.
Lavender, I don't like it.
I think that's just paper. It's pretty interesting. It does taste like lavender. As you can see in this market, they have pretty standard and unique food items. You just saw I had lavender cheese and it was purple and blue. Definitely tastes like lavender. It was pretty good too. And the donut was phenomenal. You can get fruits and vegetables, fresh meats here, and then down that way is where you can get all the antiques and clothes. Now we are in the section with all of the antiques at a very low price. Apparently this is the best part to negotiate and get your cheapest prices. There's a lot of things to choose from. If you're into antiques and flea markets, this is something you definitely want to see when you come to Vienna. Alright guys, here we are walking around Vienna, seeing the sights while also learning about Adolf Hitler. Like I've said before in my previous vlogs, I really have never done walking tours before, but this is our fourth one of the whole trip. And you learn so much while seeing the sights that you want to see. This one's going to be 2 hours long. It's been a long day, but fun. Right here behind me is part of the museum quarter. So beautiful. Vienna has some of the most beautiful architecture, so detailed and grand. You have to come here and see it for yourself. We are now walking towards the Imperial Palace, and it is the most popular point of Vienna. And our tour guide's actually going to show us the part of the balcony where Hitler has done one of his speeches.
I will show you the picture that was taken from the perspective of the balcony. And you see there's the horse. It was completely filled here.
Yeah.
The palace we just saw does look extremely old, but it was actually finished construction about 100 years ago. As I was saying before about the architecture, it's phenomenal. Just look around.